Onshape's feedback tool is a great example of one of the ways we're changing CAD. In traditional CAD, providing feedback or submitting bugs is a laborious process involving several different steps. Onshape's feedback tool is simple. From the help menu in the top right, you'll see the feedback button. Simply click feedback and the tool launches. The feedback tool gives you a number of different ways to express yourself. If all you want to do is provide a comment, then simply type it in the comments dialog. You also have the option of defining a title for your feedback. But where the feedback tool really shines is with its screenshot and markup capabilities. By default, all feedback sent includes a screenshot, but you can send feedback without a screenshot by unchecking the Add a Screenshot option. If you decide to provide a screenshot, you have many tools available to highlight and communicate your issue. The first in the list is the Comment tool. Simply select Comment and left click on the screen where you'd like to place a comment. Type in any text that you'd like. The next tool is the pen. Select Pen and left-click drag to draw with a pen. You have options to define the width as well as the color. The next one on the list is the arrow. Select Arrow, then left-click drag to place the arrow. You can also define the color of the arrow. After that, Highlight. Simply select Highlight and draw a rectangle in the area you'd like to highlight. The last one on the list is the Blackout command. As the name implies, this allows you to black out certain parts of the screen that you don't want to be seen. So with all these tools, communicating your feedback is simple. There's one last option I want to point out before we send our feedback, and that is the Share This Document with Onshape Support option. By checking this, your document is automatically shared with Onshape Support. This grants access to our support team to look at the actual document and help. This is not required, but if you're comfortable with sharing your document, it's a great way for us to get a first-hand example of the issue. So we finished marking up the screen and adding our feedback. The last step is to hit send. And that's it. Nothing else is required from you. From this point forward, Onshape's support and development team take over. Your request is filed in our internal system, and you're updated via email for every step in the process until the issue is resolved. In addition to email, you can also check the status of your open tickets by clicking the View Support Tickets under your username in the top right corner.